You like your new toy, Claire? Yay!
Let's roll them on.
What is it saying? Yay! Push this.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Thank you, Adam and Laura, for buying Claire's new toy. She seems pretty happy about it. And we haven't even taken it out of the box.
Sing a song as we stroll along.
Yay. Ball.
Bow. Sing a song as we stroll along. Bow.
It's a ball.
Bow.
That's right. It's a ball. Is that your new Raggedy Ann?
Raggedy Ann. Say hi. She's not a hugger.
You're not gonna hug Raggedy Ann yet? Oh. And that's Raggedy Andy. Yay! Who loves Raggedy Ann and Andy? Claire does. Thank you, Nanny and Grampy.
Alright.
Claire, you like your new chair? Is it fun? Is it fun? Claire's new chair! Yay! Where you going? Where you going? Oh, you're gonna fall! Yay!